England's women's team has just released their brand new kits that they'll be wearing to the World Cup. And honestly, they're awesome. I genuinely think that they could be some of the best England kits we've seen in recent years, whether men's or women's. But what also makes these kits so awesome is the amount of history that they've managed to interweave into the kits, even down to the types of colours that they used. It all has historical significance, and that makes me very excited. As it is the 100th anniversary of Wembley Stadium, the white colour that they're using in the home kit is a slightly off-white, and that pays tribute to the chalky white exteriors of the original 1923 Wembley Stadium. The choice to have the white shirt and the blue shorts for other reasons also pays homage to the 1984 women's team that reached England's first ever women's Euros final. They did lose that game to Sweden, but we don't dwell on that. As you can see with the away kit, they've gone for a nice light blue colour with some cool designs on it. Now, those designs, while being a nod to the Art Deco movement that inspires the whole new kit look as well, they also pay homage to the chalk screever drawings that were really popular when the original Wembley Stadium was opened. The gradient on the kit as well also pays tribute to those chalky exteriors. They really like these chalky exteriors. I think these kits are awesome, but let me know what you think in the comments. And let me know your predictions for the next World Cup. How will England do? Can we finally get our hands on a first ever Women's World Cup? Let's see.